Cool. Now I got it both going. All right, friends. Thank you for joining me today. This is great. All right, so this is a very special day. I got back into Pokemon cards about a month and a half ago, and it's a terrible time to do that. There's just very low inventory. It's hard to get cards. So one of the sets I've been after for a while now is the Scarlet Violet 151, and this is the first time I've been able to get one from a store. Got it from the Pokemon card vending machine, actually. So I decided it would be very fun to make a celebration out of it, and we're going to open this live. So it's sealed. I'm going to rip this open. I got tools if this doesn't go well. Now we good. So if anybody's not as familiar with the card game or just coming back, this was a very cool set. It's the ultimate like nostalgia set. It features the 151, kind of a newer art forms. There's some really cool cards in here. So we're gonna just see what we get. So this is the booster box. So it comes with 6 packs. Let's see, pop this open. Oh, this is different than the last one. Okay, and here we go. And I'm trying to keep everything in frame, so you know, no cheating. But this is the design artwork. Hopefully we get some cool stuff. Let's go. Oh, and of course I gotta wear my my fanciest Pokemon shirt for this occasion with my Dragonite and Dragapult. All right, so if you've been a long time since you've gotten to the cards, they start with there's always the online code. Oh shoot, okay, I can't see the code on it, but you could use that for the online version of the game. And so sometimes I've noticed in these packs, the best cards tend to be like right at the very back. So just to make it a little more interesting, I might try to hide a couple of these somewhere. And now let's go. So what do we got? Okay, Rhyhorn, cool. Magikarp, and a lot of these I don't have. That's cool. Arbok. A lot of these I don't have yet since I got back into collecting. Oh, that's the Arbok X. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, that's very cool. Back that up. Arbok X Hollow. That is very pretty. Little Oddish. A Mankey. Charmeleon, cool. I don't have any of the starters yet in my binder, so nice to get these guys. We got a Parasect. I'm trying to hold these close and keep my face in the frame. A Cloyster, gotta have some basic energy. Porygon, cool. That's the reverse hollow, nice. That's a Doduo, whoa. Those are some pretty cards. All right, cool. That is pack 1. Lots of new stuff. Let's keep it going. Oh, hold on. I got some. Don't remember pattern. Usually it's 1 and 2 in the front. Then energy discard. Yep. Cool, cool. Thank you, Jimmy. All right, pack number 2. All right, we do not care about the live card. So same thing. I'm just going to kind of mix these in. Oh, you know what? That Arbok was probably the one at the end. Yep. Thank you. All right. So what do we got? Another Paris. That looks like more different Paris. Voltor. Man, these designs are really cool. Crab. Whoa. That's a pretty one. Yeah. Hold on. We got to take another look at this. Little Hollow Gyarados. Cool, cool. Very nice. Okay, I appreciate Jimmy commenting in, who knows it better than me. So any of those 3 slots could be good. Got the Gloom. Got some energy. Nice. Needed a Clefable. Very cool. And the Night of Queen. That's a cool Magmar. That is... I do think I found one at some point, but this one is prettier. And we're going to pause in case stream froze for a second. I saw it not responding on my program. But if we're good, we will keep it going. Yeah, Gyarados hype, man. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's been fun getting back into it. I would love to knock out the original 151 in the binder, so let's keep it going. Oh, you know what? I didn't even realize this. That's a Hollow Energy. They do that now. That's cool. All right. Boom. All right. This is what? Pack tree? Let's go. Meowth. I gotta execute. Clefairy, nice. That family is all set now. Oh, here we go. That might be my first legendary back. Oh, that is cool. We got the Moltres. That is absolutely beautiful. And then we got the Machop. Giovanni, the big boss himself. We got Rhydon, so now we got that family complete. Legendary hype. Rigid Band. All right, if I don't do much with these trainer cards, but yeah, I'm gonna just tuck that to the side. I've got a separate collection. Cool, cool. Charmander, we got the Charmeleon, so we're getting good on that family. Just need the Zard and we're good. Oh, and that's a cool little reverse hollow Taurus. Nice. I did pull a Paldean, so it'd be nice to have the Kanto for the binder too. But all right, we are halfway through and lots. I might have to do a follow-up with exactly how many deck slots I filled in this binder when we're done. All right, pack 4. All right, mixing stuff around. That is a Sleepy Seal. Very cool. Another Doduo. That looks like I had that one, but the that looks like the non-reverse hollow, just the standard. We got a Tentacool. Oh, that's pretty. Aerodactyl. Yeah, that is the full hollow, and I don't have it yet. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Gotta have a Rattata. I actually did not have one yet, so that's fine. The Doug Trio. Haunter. That's just a freaking cool image. Hold on. Let's double check that. Yeah. It's one thing I appreciate about getting back into the cards is they just have a lot of really cool art to them now. Needed a Hitmonlee. Got an Energy. And Golduck. Whoa. That's a really cool Poliwrath. That is a... Hold up. Yep, reverse hollow Golduck, and that looks like full hollow Poliwrath, which was always one of my favorites from the gen. That's a big win. You'll love to see it. Oh, hold on. Got some feedback from Jimmy in real time. You don't have to shuffle. The energy's the last card in the rare and not to reverse. You just pull off the code card and the energy. Oh, okay. Good looking out. I see what you're saying. Oops. All right. Pack 5. So, all right. We're going to do the Jimmy method. Pull off the code card and the energy. He says the energy is the last card. Oh, he's right. And another hollow energy. I have to start a collection just for that. All right. Now bury a couple just for fun. All right. Let's see. Another Porygon. Very cool looking Electabuzz. Coughing. I was pretty happy for, it's usually one of the bad guys. So no need to bury a couple. They should be at the end. Yeah, but it's more fun if you don't know when it's coming. Tangle up. Is that a hollow Weedle? Sure. I'm also lagging. Okay. I don't know if there's much I can do about that with my current setup. We got that. Nidorino. Executor, cool. Needed one for sure. That's cool. Full hollow Raichu. Needed that. All right. Yep, I'm going to pause for a second. I got a not responding message here real quick. Holographic Weedle's hilarious, right? All right, Graveler and another coughing. We'll just finish this one up. Boom and boom. All right, we're cool. All right, y'all. Last pack. This is pack 6 of 6. Lots of new cool stuff. All right, Jimmy says leave the good stuff at the end. We're going to do it. Boom. All right, this is the energy, right? Yep, okay. He knows more about this than me. All right. Yes! I just made the joke earlier. I was like, I'll be so happy just to get a basic Squirtle because I don't have it. And yep, that is my starter. That's best boy right there. Cool. All right. Got a Lickitung. Got a Venonat. Got the Pidgey. Actually, this is great. I didn't have Pidgey yet. Okay, Wartortle. Trying to get out the family. Hypno. Is that another Poliwrath? Slightly less cool Poliwrath, but we'll take it. That is a very cool Cloyster. Full Hollow. Helix Fossil. Okay, okay. And a Ditto. That is very neat. Yeah, that's a full Hollow Ditto right there. Cool, cool. All right. I got some really good cards, and that was a lot of fun. So, thanks for watching. If I get anything else really cool, I might have to do this again. But thanks, and I'll see y'all soon. Let's do